Alright, what's up you guys? So today I'm going to be installing this beautiful wig, and with this package I received a pair of lashes, this nice wide tooth comb, and a stocking cap. It also came with the clip, but I'm using the clip to hold my hair back because I got a bob and it's all in my face. But yes, I got this wig from Daestackks. I'm going to attach all of her information down below, but right now I'm going to show you all the details of the wig. It came pre-plucked, already bleached knots, like everything down to the T. And I always receive pre-plucked, quote unquote, pre-customized wigs whenever I do sponsored videos and stuff like that. However, I always have to go back in, pluck more, bleach more. But today, honey, I'm about to show y'all how I slayed this wig, and I ain't even have to really do that much work. So if y'all are one of those people who don't like to do all of that work or really don't know how to even do it properly, tune in, watch this video, give a thumbs up, and stay tuned to the very end. So yes, I have a new product that's going to be coming out. This is a styling gel times 10, like times 10 10 10 to the max, like to 100 to 1,000 to 1,000,000. Like, this can sleek your edges back, this can do natural protective styles, this can hold down a glueless wig install, like everything. I'm going to show you all about it whenever I get ready to release it, but I just wanted to let you guys know that because I'm always quick to let you guys know some of my new releases first. But yes, I put that on her edges, brushed her edges back, and now we are using the Hold Me Down adhesive in the watermelon scent. This has been my favorite product. I know I haven't been using the regular one on my channel. When I've done my last few hair videos, I've been neglecting the original OG Hold Me Down adhesive, but they absolutely work the same. I'm just addicted to the smell. Honestly, I think everyone is addicted to the smell at this point. But yes, you want to go ahead, put that around your client's edges, or if you're installing this on yourself, you want to follow my steps precisely. This video is strictly made to show you guys, number one, this bomb wig we about to install, and number two, showing you guys step by step how to get a flawless Hold Me Down times 10 to the 100 to the max to the 1,000,000 Hold Me Down install. Like, fail proof, no mistakes, super easy. Just follow along with me. So when the wig came, it came already styled, already plucked, all the baby hairs were already out, like all of that. But I went ahead and took the braids out because I'm going to redo them at the end of the video. To me, I find it a little bit harder to install a wig that already has the braids in it, like they were, like with the two braids growing across the front. I feel like it's harder to install a wig like that. But if you find it easy to leave the braids in, that's absolutely fine whenever you get your wig. But for me, I like to just do them over because sometimes everybody wig is not going to fit the same. Like, I didn't send her exact measurements for this wig, so that's why I wanted to take them out and do all of that, because my god sister got a small little peanut head. But this is the makeup that I used on her. It's Maybelline in the number 332. One thing that I did explain on one of my older videos, when you are using makeup, you want to make sure that you're using a makeup that isn't oil based. And if it is oil based, and it does happen to be oil based, make sure you're using the skin guard. Make sure you use alcohol to take away some of the oils, because if you put that adhesive on top of that oily makeup, it's not gonna stick, sweetie, like at all. I know a lot of people, they may say, oh, I tried it but it didn't work or whatever, but listen, that's why I'm telling you, follow my steps. Send this video to your stylist, like whoever you may need to send this video to, who you think needs this video, send it to them. When you are proceeding to the next step of getting ready to install your wig, you're going to do these same exact steps just like this. You see how I'm putting the adhesive all around her hairline and how wide I'm using using the product. You want to make sure you're using that much product if you want a long lasting install. You cannot get a long lasting install if you just put one strip of adhesive going across the hairline. It is definitely going to lift. It's definitely not going to be waterproof. It's definitely not going to give you what it's supposed to give. It's definitely not going to give you what you thought you were going to get, sweetie. Also, if you do not use the ball cap method, your wig is not going to last that long. It would last for a while, but when you use the ball cap method, it creates this Velcro type of effect. Like, it just lasts so much longer, and that's just what it is. So if you want a long lasting install, make sure you use the ball cap method and make sure you're using the adhesive in this width as you see me applying it, like from her hairline to the back of the cap. Not all the way to the back of the cap, but you know what I'm trying to say. Like, you want to install the adhesive. I'm saying install the adhesive. You want to apply the adhesive as you see me doing in this clip. Make sure you're doing it and spreading it out, and make sure it's going on thin, smoothly, and evenly. In this video, I used 4 layers because we are going to Florida and we're going to be outside. Like I said, this wig did come pre-customized and everything. I didn't have to go in and pluck anything else. I didn't have to go in and bleach anything, as like nothing at all. This wig is also very, very full. Like, it has a lot of hair. That's also something else that I really enjoyed about installing this wig. It's not thin. Like, everything about it is extremely perfect. Like I said, I'm going to attach all of her information down in the description box. And if you guys are enjoying this video so far, make sure you leave a thumbs up. This step is optional. You don't have to use a holding spray around the hairline. You can just go ahead and just use an elastic band to tie it down. You don't have to use holding spray if you don't want to. But I like to sometimes, just depending on what I'm trying to achieve. So yeah. What I'm doing right now is going down the part and just closing it up a little bit because it's a little too wide. Like, the knots were just a tad bit over bleached, but that's not a problem at all. Like, that just happens sometimes naturally, and it's super easy to fix. This is the product that you want to use with a little spoolie to go ahead and close your part up. Sometimes I use black spray, but sometimes I use this semi-permanent hair color. I feel like the semi-permanent hair color gives me the best results because it's more natural and you can control it. With the black spray in the tin can, it's like it could get all over the hairline. Sometimes it be squirting out in the wrong places. Like, it just gets too messy. So it's a little better to use the semi-permanent hair color on a little spoolie. And I used another tool that I got from the EAPheat.com website. It's a super thin flat iron, and I curled the baby hair. I got this trick from IAmErickaJ. I seen a video he posted on his Instagram one time, and he did this trick of curving the baby hair because it made it a little bit easier to actually style them. He curled them with a curling iron, and then he went ahead with some gel and some holding spray and started to form the baby hair. So if you are a beginner or baby hair gives you a hard time, this is a great tip to use. Creating baby hair is not something that's super easy to do. I know a lot of you guys see my videos and think that since the video is sped up or I delete some parts that I just did it so easily, but no, that's why I kept majority of me creating the baby hair in this video, because I wanted you guys to see that it does take some time to do. You can just keep forming them, keep combing them, keep brushing them how you want them to go until you get them how you need them to be. And whenever you're going to do a braided style, make sure you do the baby hair first, because when you do the baby hair after, I don't think that it comes out right. So that's why I did the baby hair first and did the braids last. They didn't come out exactly how she did them on the wig, but they'll do. This magical product is from Sev Skin Co. It's a leave-in conditioner spray. You can use this on your natural hair, on anything. Like, you can also use this as a daily thing when you wake up and spray it on your hair to give it that body, that shine, and that condition and natural sleep that it needs to add to your install. So I did one braid. I showed you guys that process, and then I went ahead and did the other braid on the other side. The lace that's on this wig is extremely magical. Like, just look how this looks like it's coming out of her skin. This is so unrealistic, so unbelievable. I'm so amazed at how well this pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-customized wig install came out. I'm gonna leave all of the details down below, and thank you guys for tuning in.